If your Instagram account has been suspended, it can happen for several reasons. Most commonly because something you posted went against Instagram's terms of service. When you first see the suspension notice, the most important thing to do is look for the appeal option shown at the bottom of the screen. From there, you can choose to disagree with the decision and submit an appeal, which notifies Instagram that you believe the suspension was a mistake. This usually triggers a review where a real person may take a closer look at our account, and in many cases, this alone can resolve the issue. If the in app appeal does not work, another option is to use Instagram's official appeal forms. You can find these by searching online for Instagram appeal forms and selecting the appropriate option related to the content decisions or account suspension. These forms allow you to explain your situation in more detail and request a manual review of your account. Submitting accurate information and clearly explaining what happened can improve your chances of getting your account reinstated. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.